Kwanda. I'm fooling. So there is this conspiracy. Not that I conspire or add on top of this interesting coincidence. Umsebenzi wami kubalisa amabali. Nginobhala. Amabali embali nezithisa ebunzi kaloku ndimo zombhathisa umpethe anilogwala. I'm a fighter. There's this conspiracy. I've made my intention straight as a bulletin. Not that I rule anything out or question my current industrial system. I'm a human. I feel the same involuntary pain which is felt by others. Empathy, sympathy, disgust and pressure. Qualified as I am, getting employed in this country is now a favor. If you happen to be feminine, your breakthrough is opening your legs as the perpetrator invites pleasure. Think about it. What's the psychological state of a desperate man and woman who is interested in providing? Desperate times do test our psychological state. Emotional times do question our spiritual maturity. That's faith. How many people have turned their backs or stabbed their brother's back with the interest of being recognized by the boss? But the entire segregation. We have turned into enemies. We are corrupt, ill-minded, dirty, filthy creatures. Not that I blame our individual selves, but the environment itself. Still a conspiracy? Maybe, maybe not. But what I'm certain about, it's not a fantasy. This is as real as it gets, and as sad as it felt. The system is suppressing us. Umsebenzi wami kubalisa amabali. Nginobhala amabali embali nezijisa ubunzi. Kaloku ndimo zombhathisa umpethe anilogwala. I'm a fighter. Still a conspiracy. Kwana manje.